This slide describes generally Oracle's service-oriented architecture, and specifically J.D. Edwards Enterprise One integration architecture, which is based on the business services server. At the bottom of this, we can see that the business functions are running in the J.D. Edwards Enterprise One logic tier, as they always do. And up above that, that J2EE layer provides access to our business events and the business services server. Those business services can be exposed as web services out to third parties, so we can produce and consume logic in the form of web services. And that can go out to any third party, and there's lots of implementation ways to provide a loosely coupled integration to third-party systems. But specifically, we'd like to focus on Oracle's Fusion Middleware 11G SOA suite products that can enhance those integrations. And specifically, those products are People Process Manager, which can be used to orchestrate business processes that probably span many applications. So you can think of a very complex business process, which is a sort of a super workflow that would call into several systems, and maybe J.D. Edwards Enterprise One is one of those systems. We can use Oracle People Process Manager as the orchestration tier to do that. WSM is the Web Services Manager, and that keeps the whole business process secure. You can set up policies so that as these business processes and individual web services interact with the low-level applications such as J.D. Edwards Enterprise One, those transactions are happening in an orderly and secured way that adhere to security policies. The Business Activity Monitor is a tier on top of that where you can monitor the progress of these processes and see where bottlenecks may be occurring or have a graphic interface for how your processes are running. And the Oracle Service Bus is a layer that helps to transform data from one system into another, possibly help it to be routed to the proper system based on content that's in the transaction, handles interaction with People Process Manager to keep all the data and transactions moving through the overall business process. Now specifically, with Enterprise One Tools 898 Update 3, we've certified products from the Oracle Fusion Middleware 11G family to do that. At that J2EE layer, as we said earlier, the J.D. Edwards Business Services Server can now run on Oracle WebLogic Server 10.3.2. The JDeveloper component, which helps in the development of those business services and exposing them as web services, uses JDeveloper 11G. And we've also done certifications between Enterprise One and Oracle SOA Suite 11G, including People Process Manager, Web Services Manager, and Oracle Service Bus.